Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all kinds of how-tos. In today's video, we are here looking at Trello, the all-in-one productivity management tracker used to help manage your business and the team that helps run it. Now, Trello is one that I actually use quite often. We use it here to manage this entire YouTube channel, from thumbnail assignments to video productivity, as well as social media content creation. Now, we're going to be looking at the all-in-one how-to from this free website usage. Now, I do say free because we're going to be taking a look at the free version. However, they do have a pricing plan. Over here, we'll be using the $0 a month or the free version for individual or team looking to organize any projects. Now, with this one, we have unlimited cards, up to 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power-ups per board, unlimited storage, up to 10 megabytes per file, 250 workspace command runs per month, custom backgrounds and stickers, unlimited activity log, assignee and due dates, as well as iOS and Android mobile apps. Now, we also do have a $5 a month plan where it's for small teams that need to manage, work, and scale collaboration. We have the premium for $10 a month for teams that need to track and visualize multiple projects in several ways, including boards, timelines, and calendars, as well as the enterprise version for $17.50 per month for organizations that need to connect work across teams with more security and controls. Now, they each do have their own specifications, but if you want to check that out, you can check it out right here or go to Trello.com. Coming back over to the main screen, we are going to hit sign up because it's free. Trello brings all your tasks, teammates, and tools together. So we're going to put in our work email. Let's do that right now. Okay, and it's going to take you to this screen, the Trello Create Your Account screen. Now, obviously, I have my email and phone name blurred out. But however, it's going to have your stuff, and then you're going to hit Create Your Account. And after the loading screen, it's going to bring you to the main home page. Here we go. Welcome to Trello. Let's create your workspace. Name your workspace. We're going to call this one Fixify YouTube channel. Who's on your team, and from here we could put as many people as we want. Let's hit create your workspace, and then it's going to bring you here to your template or your home screen dashboard. We can come right here where it says create your first board. Now, this is obviously all private because we don't have anybody in here yet. However, when you go to create or add members, you'd come over here to the side where it says members and hit the plus icon and then input their email. Now, obviously, we can hit create your first board, or we can come down here and we can hit most popular templates. Get going faster with template from Trello community, and then it has a choose a category option where we can hit small business, design, education, engineering, IT, marketing, human resources, operations, or sales, CRM. For here, we're going to put just popular. And these are a couple of the options: project management, Kanban template, small project board, or remote team hub. We're going to come over here. We're going to hit project management because, like everything, we're going to be working on our YouTube channel. Let's click on that. And here we go. This is what it's going to directly bring you to. This is a public template for anyone on the internet to copy. Now, from here, we can hit create board from template. Now, this is basically what it's supposed to look like. We have a project resources, questions for next meeting, to-do list, pending, blocked, and done, as well as the calendar power-up, filter, and then everybody who's in your team. We come up here and we can hit create board from template. We can title this one Project Management Workspace for the Fixify YouTube channel. This board will be in Workspace visible. Here we can keep the cards, we can keep template card. Let's just activate both of those, and we can hit create. And then here we go. Basically, it just took everything that was on the template that was shared with millions of other users and made it a private one. Now, again, we do have the done list, blocked, pending, to do, questions for next meeting, and project resources. And then there's the button right here that says add another list. We're not going to worry about that just yet. And on each one of these little tabs, it does have the three little dots. We click on those. List actions, we could add a card, copy a list, move a list, watch, sort by, and all this other stuff. And then if you come all the way to the side right here, we do have a little drop arrow. Click on that. And this is, again, the side view panel where we could look at all of our boards. We could look at the members. We could the actual settings, as well as all of our boards down here. So right now we're on the project management board. We can go and close out that. Now, what I do like about Trello is it is so easy to customize and easy to move around things. So, like project resources, we can easily move wherever we want. We can go from to do, pending, done, and then these are all the miscellaneous ones. Let's come up here and we can actually go and delete all of these. However, it doesn't technically delete all of them. We can over here hit archive this list and it just gets rid of it that way, which is a good way to get rid of the things, but you can easily come back and re-put it in when need be. Now, obviously, real quick, I'm actually just going to go and archive all of these, just so I can show you what it's like starting from scratch as well as using the template version. So obviously, to start, we come up here, we can hit add a list. For the title list, we could just put to-do list. This one can be done. This one can be upcoming. And there we go. So we can put all of our stuff here. So we're going to come over here and hit upcoming. So this is where we're going to, for instance, YouTube videos. So we're going to put all of our upcoming YouTube videos. So let's click add to card. For the title of this one, we can put Trello how to. Hit enter. And there we go. That's one card. And let's just make a list of, let's say, 6 or 9 different cards. Okay, and here we go. We have the upcoming YouTube list. So we have Trello how-to, Canva logo maker, DaVinci Resolve, Workspace how-to, YouTube Studio walkthrough, Wix website builder tutorial, make new TikToks, set up new about page on the channel, review all upcoming projects, and edit all week 5 videos. So from here, we can easily just click on one. And here we go. We could put a little description. So let's just put this one. Record a YouTube video about using / how to use Trello. There we go. So that's our little description. And from here, we could put the members. We can make a label. We could put a checklist. So let's do a checklist real fast. Checklist. Add that. From here, we could put plan the video, film the video, edit, thumbnail creation, review, and post. Okay, so we have the checklist down, and then let's come up here and we can hit labels. For the labels, we could actually go in here and we could change up all of them. Let's edit this one, YT video. There we go. So we have that one. Let's make another one that says management, content creator, and then the rest we could just delete. There we go. So I put YouTube video, management, and content creator. So for each one is going to have a different category. So for this one, it is a YouTube video one. Change the next one, Canva logo maker. Same thing, YouTube video. DaVinci Resolve, we could put that one as content creator. YouTube Studio walkthrough. This one as management. We can put this one both YouTube video and content creator. Make new TikTok. That one could be content creator. Set up new about page. And from here down, we could just make all of these for management. And there we go. So basically, if I look, say I'm the content creator, or let's say I'm the video editor for the video. Let's come up here and I can see each yellow one is one of my tasks. So I'd come over here and I'll move all of these ones. And again, like I said, these are so easy to move. So I come up here, I can grab this task, go over here and put to-do list. To do, to do, to do. There you go. That one, it's sending down there. So that means it's saving. And there we go. So, and then basically when I come over here and I click on the task, I can easily say how to do it, what to do, what the description is, and then the checklist. The checklist is 0% complete. So this one I really do need to work on. So let's say I planned the video. There we go, 17% done. I filmed it, 33% done. I edited it. There we go. I reviewed it. There we go. Then I made the thumbnail. And let's say I'm not yet done posting it. So there you go, 5 out of 6 tasks complete. Now, there's so many other things you could do with Trello other than just making it a, to-do list. We could, let's say we add another list. Let's title it Project Resources. And there we go. So let's add a card to that specifically. And let's type in this one, Trello video. Here we could edit that. And we could add stuff like covers, attachments, dates. Let's just go over to attachments. And we could add stuff from, let's say, Google Drive and Dropbox and OneDrive. We could also apply a link, so let's say to YouTube videos. So from here, we could put in a link to a YouTube video also doing a tutorial. So we could somewhat take inspiration from that or anything else we need. So inspiration, certain effects that we didn't know we could do, we could show from that. I would say without a doubt Trello is by far, in my opinion, the best site to use for managing your team. Just because of how easy it is to assign people to different tasks, to add pages or upcoming events, and everything like that. Now, before we end things off, I just want to let you guys know that if you go down to the description box below, we do have product links. And if you click on one of those links and do buy a product, this channel does receive a small commission, which helps out greatly. Thank you guys also very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Leave a like, rating down below, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya.